Top 5 Best Pedicure Kits. Pedicure Routine for Beautiful Feet. Pedicure kits can let you enjoy salon-quality foot care at home. Complete sets come with a range of tools, including nail clippers, cuticle trimmers, files, and one or more types of callus, bunion, and corn removers. Others simply focus on repairing rough skin and often feature salt scrubs and rich creams. There are also portable foot spas that offer a relaxing soak after a long day of standing. Yugai Manicure Set Nail Clippers Pedicure Kit. Professional Pedicure Tool Set. Electric callus remover for feet with rechargeable waterproof. Manicure Set 30-piece WOAMA Nail Clippers Pedicure.
Electric foot file callus remover.